Alright guys, we just walked a couple miles and now we're at the Eiffel Tower. What do you guys think? Pretty smooth. We're literally right here. It was a quick line walk, right Thomas?
Yep.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to hit the metro here. Alright guys, this is how you buy the ticket with the quickness. Gonna print out 2 tickets. Okay. Split, slide, slide. We're not gonna make it. Are we gonna make it?
Yeah.
Alright. Waiting for this train. It's about to show up. Meow. Alright. So Thomas and I just made it to the Louvre. Madness. 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 You trying to figure out the way? You got me mucked up. Let's roll. Let's not get hit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back another day. Today we're gonna go check out a museum. It's been 3 days, 4 days. How many days have I been here? Honestly, I don't know. Time's a blur when you're having good times, right?
5 days.
5 days. Well, we're gonna do our steps in. The other day we did 20,000 steps, so today we're shooting for 25,000 steps, if that. We're gonna get all the way, maybe Thomas, to what, 30 steps? 30,000 steps? That's the goal, at least. I mean, I think it's doable because we could just go in a straight line for endless amounts of time. Like, I don't know if y'all see this. It looks real vintage. Bro, what if I'd be able to do my vlogs in French or Spanish or English? I think English is such the
Hola, buenos días. Me llamo Mu.
Me llamo Mu.
¿Qué pasó, los amigos?
Yo, Thomas just told me we're arriving right here at the Louvre. The Louvre. Louvre. I can't say it. But check it out. What's that noise? Look how beautiful this is, guys. Oh, is that the carnival we were at the other day?
Yep.
Look at that spindly staircase. Let's go, T. Fuck. 11,000 steps. Didn't even bat an eye.
So now you have the Louvre on the left side and the jar and the garden. See more, look.
What?
We walked all this.
Oh, in there, inside and around?
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's the Louvre.
That's pretty many.
And now welcome to the Garden of Tuileries.
So where people just hang out.
Yeah.
This Garden of Tuileries.
Where's the ride that you went on?
Over there.